So the biggest one that builders don't realize, especially in states that don't require insurance, is certificates of insurance naming you additional insured. That from day one has to be something. If you use a sub that doesn't have insurance, you are truly opening yourself up for a lawsuit. And that's where the majority of claims come from. You got to make sure you're protecting. If that means you got to pay a little bit more for a sub that's properly insured, you just have to do that and build that into your business plan, because that's where you'll get sued year 2, 3, 4, 10 years down the line before the statute of repose happens, where that's where you're going to get nailed. Second thing is subcontractor agreements. Most builders don't realize that in all these subs contracts, there's blurbs that literally say, this is only valid if you're bound by an agreement or a subcontractor agreement to your builder. If you don't have that written subcontractor agreement, their insurance can say, yeah, we named you additional insured, but you don't have the agreement. It's null and void. You got to have that. And the second thing is a big one, CG 2294. 85 to 90% of all these policies, including some big name carriers that a lot of people think are the name in the game because of how their title reads, that is a big deal. You don't want to have that on your policy. You're better off having a company paying a tad more and often less to have that coverage, so you're not excluding all the work done by your subs. 99.9% of all home builders hire subs to do all the work. If you have that exclusion, your policy is basically a slip and fall policy. It's useless.